Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off skirt in Creality print. So let's get straight into it. Now look here at the right corner, basically at the right these settings where you see filament, and you will see here mixed filament, and down here process. It is global objects and advanced, and here you see these toggles. So toggle this on. So this will, if you do not enable this, the detailed options remain hidden. Now what we need to do is navigate to the other tab. So here inside you will see these left settings here, these panels, and yeah, the other tab is right here, so the last one. So click on it. Now what we need to do is we need to find okay, so now we need to find first these skirt loops. So if you have something different than 0, change it to 0. So with that, we will basically turn off the skirt. And also what we will do here is locate the brim type. And what we are going to do is we will choose no brim. And yeah, this is basically it. Uh, how to turn off skirt in Creality. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.